Hello everyone and welcome back again to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to restrict potentially mature videos, or we could say adult videos, on YouTube. Of course, we like normally do not get that kind of videos on YouTube so much, right? But yeah, you still can restrict it, okay? Yeah, you still can, like we could say, avoid that, right? So open YouTube, okay, on your iPhone, and then tap on this icon, little icon available here, right, where you'll be headed to, okay, we can say this, the main settings, right on your channel. Now tap on this icon available here, okay, which is the setting, we can say icon. Tap on that one, and then choose the first option, which says general. Tap on that one, right? And then, right, go for the fourth, we can say actually the third option, which says restricted mode, right? So this helps to hide potentially immature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this, device. Of course, you have to be aware, all right, this setting will apply only on this app, right? It doesn't apply, we can say, on other apps, right? Or we could say the settings in general on your device, okay? So turn it on, right? And that's it, okay? Now go back and that's it. Now next time when you use it, right, we will say like, yeah, potentially you will be avoided, right, to see mature videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.